How to open frozen car doors. Car doors freeze shut when water seeps between the seal and the car frame, or into the lock itself. To get inside your car, you'll need to dissolve the ice with heat, or with a solvent such as alcohol. Unfreezing door seals or handles. Push on your car door. Apply pressure by leaning on your frozen door. Push as hard as you can against the door. The pressure could break the ice around the door's seal, enabling you to open the door. This section assumes you can unlock your car, but not open it. If the lock itself is frozen, skip to the section below. Chip away the ice. If the ice has formed a thick crust, break it off the seal of the door on all sides, and off the handle if necessary. If you don't have an ice scraper, use any stiff plastic object, such as a spatula or credit card. Metal objects may scratch the glass or paint. Pour lukewarm water over the rubber seals. Fill a cup, bucket or another container with lukewarm water. Pour the water around the seal of the door to thaw the ice. You may need to repeat this several times if the ice is thick. Once the door is open, dry off the inside of the seal with a towel to prevent refreezing. Never use hot water, or the temperature difference could shatter your window glass. 1. Even cold water from the hose can do the trick, since it is warmer than the ice. 2. Car doors most often freeze where the rubber seal is worn or damaged, allowing water to seep in and freeze. If you notice any damage, focus on that area while pouring. Spray on commercial de-icer. You can find de-icer products at auto shops and hardware stores. These both dissolve the ice, and leave lubricant behind to help prevent further moisture from collecting. Rubbing alcohol can dissolve ice, but repeated use may damage your rubber gasket. Some varieties of windshield wiper fluid are mostly alcohol, and can serve the same purpose. Diluted white vinegar is a last resort, as it leaves a lingering smell and, according to some, may leave pockmarks on the window glass. 4. Start the car remotely. If you have a remote car starter, use it and let the heat thaw the car door from the inside. This could take up to 10 minutes. Heat the frozen seal with a blow dryer. If you have a battery-operated model or an extension cord long enough to reach your car, this is another DIY way to melt the ice, but potentially a hazardous one. Move the blow dryer constantly back and forth across the door seal. Too much heat in one spot could break the glass, especially if there are existing cracks or chips.